Hello everyone. So today we'll talk about another interesting number, which is called as a Karprekar number. So I have found this number on HackerRank. So the Karprekar was an Indian mathematician from Maharashtra. So he used to play around with numbers a lot, and one of his famous discovery was this Karprekar number. Apart from the Karprekar number, he has also worked on a Harshad number, which we will talk in the future videos, hopefully. So let's understand first of all what Karprekar number means, and here is the photo of Mr. Karprekar. You can go to the web and read more about them. So the Karprekar number is interesting number, means like you can choose any number, or for example, I've taken two numbers here. So if you multiply those numbers, 81 will come. For example, 9 into 9, 81 will come. And if you divide the digits to split, so 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Similarly, if you have 45 into 45, you will have a number 2025. If you split it into the half, it will be 20 plus 25 is equal to 45. So means if you square a number, then you split a number, add that number, and you will, if you get a same number from where you have started, it will become a Karprekar number. And here is the pseudocode for the Karprekar number. You can, I'll be on the screen for some seconds, so you can take a screenshot if you want to, before jumping to the actual code which I've written on a golang. So let me share my screen for the HackerRank portal. So here we are on the HackerRank. So in the HackerRank, here we have explained the same thing which I have told you about the Karprekar number. But the only difference is like they want to find the number of Karprekar numbers between 1 to 1000, 1 to 200, 1 to 100, and whatever the input will be. Like if you have an input between P and Q, you need to find the Karprekar number. How I approach this problem, I have written a separate Karprekar function, which is going to check if the number is a Karprekar or not. So how it works is like on the line 41, I first took a square of a number, and then I count the number of digits, how many digits are there in that square. So let's suppose if I have a 9 as an input, and then 9 into 9 is 81, and 81 has 2 digits in it. Again, in this line 49, I have to again take this square number, find to square, because I've already used this variable to store the splitting part of this number. Then on the number of digits, whatever I have found, I have to run a loop on that. So that loop, how it works, that if you have two number of digits, so it will run for 2 times, 1 and 2. And then down here, the magic happens is like equal parts is equal to math dot power 10 raised to power. How many numbers are there, how many number of digits are there, so that number of digits is I. So if you have 2 digits, then 10 raised by 2 is 100. So we need to split a number like that. So for example, if it's a 3-digit number, so 1 2 3, let's suppose, then you have to run the splitting by 100, because as we have a remainder and quotient, and the remainder and quotient are the one which helps us to divide the number, split the number into the digits position, like ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. It all depends like what is the actual size of the number. If it's a 2-digit number, 81, it means it has ones and tens only. If it's 123, it has ones, tens, and hundreds. So that's how it works, and that's how this loop is going to choose that. And this is an equal part. If equal part is equal to n, then don't do anything, because that's not our number. So it will continue, it will skip that loop. And if it's not that number, then it will go down and do the splitting. So if you see this splitting part, first the square which you have calculated above on the line number 41, 49. So it will do the splitting, divide it, and it took a mod. So the division take, if you do the division part, so division take your like 91 divided by 10 is 9. It took the left part of it, and the mod take the right part of it, because it has a quotient. And if sum is equal to n, which is our first number, then it will return a true. So that's our result. So if I run this code, this is a successful. I've only run this test with 2 scenarios. So thank you so much for watching the video. Goodbye.